There is a special scrolling technique called parallax. It is using the background image through a web page. So in the final work you can see this one. Now we are going to make this. The coding for this in the HTML is very easy. I just use a section with the class parallax and the div class parallax inner. So the rest of the work also very small code in the CSS. In the Parallax class we choose the background. Repeat. Fixed 100. And the opacity of half. So it is not very clear picture. And in the Parallax inner class, we choose the padding tab for the how much of this scrolling parallax should be visible. So I choose the 15%.